How to optimize route planning in the Tesla app for long trips. In this video, I will show you the full guide in 2025, so make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. On your phone, log into your Tesla app that is connected to your vehicle. Step 2. Go to your location and then navigate, and then enter your destination. Step 3. The app will automatically suggest charging stations along your route. You can toggle add charging stops to include the best charging locations that you can stop for. Step 4. Tap the settings to customize your trip, like avoiding the tolls, minimizing stops, or selecting the faster or the fastest routes. Step 5. Once the route is optimized, send it directly to your Tesla's built-in navigation system, and then your car will now follow the planned trip with charging stops included. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.